Hello viewers and my dear students. Welcome to session 8 on projection of solids demo. We were doing hexagonal pyramid demo in the previous session. We'll continue the same thing even in this session using solid edge. See here, we were in this position in the last session. That means hexagonal pyramid I have taken in the corner position. As you know, here you have 6 base edges A, B, C, D, E, F, A, and OA, OB, OC, OD, OE, OF are the 6 slant edges. In the front view, here itself 6 edges, that is base one. A, B, C, D, E, F, okay, 6 edges. 1 here, 2 here, OB and OF, 2 here, OC and OE, and OD. Totally 1, 2, 2 and 1, 6 edges plus 6 edges of the base, 12 edges we have completed. This is a hexagonal pyramid of size 25 and height 50 and have clearly shown axis representation also as axis representation one big, one small dot, one big, one small dot. It's a light line. It's an imaginary axis of separation. Okay, symmetry, axis of symmetry. That means whatever is to the left of the axis is same as to the right of axis. Okay. Now in this way we have completed. Now the problem says here has one of its slant edges on HP. One of its slant edges on HP means you see here you have to, if you tilt little right, no, it will be resting on corner on HP. If you tilt little left, it will be corner A on HP. Now if it has to rest completely on slant edge on HP, can you see this? This is a slant edge O dash T dash or O dash A dash. And also you know this OD, no? This OD is parallel to XY line. That means it is parallel to VP. That means O dash D dash what you are seeing here. O dash D dash what you are seeing is in true length. Now if I want to put slant edge on HP, O dash D dash should be on XY line. Then only it will be slant edge on HP. You can make even you can even turn left also. You can make O dash A dash also on XY line. Both are same. Anything you do. Okay. Now as usual, what I'll do, I'll first move. I'll move. I'll just move first. Once I move, no, here copy is there. Copy is required here. That is why we darken this. Then I'll take this endpoint. I'll put it somewhere here. Okay. Okay. Then put escape. Okay. Now you'll see here. Once you do this, see here. I'll just repeat. Move. Move you do, and see that this is copy. This is highlighted. Okay, this you take somewhere here. Okay, so that there won't be any confusions. Okay, and then put escape. Okay, now you see here this has to rest on slant edge on HP. Now you see here O dash has not come, and put O dash also. O dash on XY line. Okay, O dash. Okay, now what I have to do is I have to tilt completely so that either O dash A dash is on XY line or O dash D dash on XY line. So that slant edge is on HP. Now what I'll do, I'll rotate this. I'll rotate this. Okay, see here. D dash, I'll fix it. O dash, I'll rotate it. I'll completely tilt it in this way so that it rests on XY line. Okay. Now as you see here, why it has come here is, I've deliberately shown here, for this, copying was not necessary. That's what I'll do. I'll switch it off. Again, I'll go for rotate. Okay. This is all is a learning exercise. Okay. You do this. You have copied. Don't do this copy now. Copying is not required, but only thing it has to be rotated. Okay, you do this. then fixed point is D dash, moving point is O dash, completely tilted in this way. Okay, you have got this. Now, as you are aware, it is resting on O dash D dash on XY line. Okay, O dash D dash on XY line. Okay, that is slanted on HP. Now, in this position, you can use here. Now, this practical difficulty and all that, you may not have enough space. That is why what I'll do, I'll take move command. Okay, I'll move command. I'll copy this. I don't copy here. Okay, I'll select this and I'll okay, you select the endpoint. You push it this way so that you have enough space. Because I'm telling you again, you please understand, this is the thing. This is 210 mm from here to here. This is 297 mm. Okay, 297. Whatever is in this border, okay, 297, 210, whatever is within this only will come in the printout. That is why you have to be careful such that all the three sets of views are well within this. This is very important. If you do it outside, if something goes outside, that won't get that will not be printed. Okay, that is why. Anyway, take care of that. Okay, I'll again zoom it. Okay, now you see here all reverse it has become. What I'll do, I'll do this. This all A dash, A dash, then C dash, E dash, then B dash, F dash, B dash, bracket, F dash, C dash, bracket, E dash, and D dash. All you make it ready because all it has reversed. No, it's better you delete off those things. Okay, now you see here O dash D dash on XY line. I'll make O dash D dash on XY line. Okay, then this is C dash E dash. This is B dash F dash. Okay, this is A dash. Okay, I think this you understood. These are all practical difficulties. You should know how to manage and all that because all was in a reverse order. No, you were not able to see. Now it is proper now. Now it is resting on O dash D dash on XY line, slanted on HP. Then C dash E dash I have put here. B dash F dash I have put here. A dash I have put here. This is O dash as axis. This also you can change it if you want. Okay, that also you delete it off if you want. That also O1 dash you take and put it properly there. Okay, now once you do this, you are looking from here. Okay, now as you look from here, the first step, as I said, when you're looking from the top view of this has to be written. Okay, top view of this has to be written. When the top view has to be written, first step is get all the points, join the outer boundary of these points. Okay, then step 2 is compare apex with the base. Since base is nearer to the observer, when you are looking from here, base is nearer to the observer. You have to darken the base and all that. In that way, as I told you earlier, you can do in the same way. Okay, but first we'll get the points now. Now, see here, 0.13. Carefully take the endpoint. End. From end only you take. Take the endpoint and do it again. Okay, that is take the projectors. Even projectors from here also you take. Okay, this is on this E and F you should get, on this A, D, O and O, O1, everything has to be obtained. On this you should get C and B. Okay, once you do this, these extra things and all that, no, you can remove it off. So that endpoint can easily be sensed up. Okay, now as you are aware, here you see here one, I'll again zoom because these are all the practical difficulties I'm telling you. You look carefully, you have to know all this. Now you see here, this is, as you know, here A, B, C, D, E, F, O, O1. Yeah, everything you make it ready. Now you see here, if you observe here, this point is A, correct? No? This point is A. Okay, this point is A. And on this you should get B and F. Okay. See here, this point is B. And this point is F. Okay. In the same way, this point is here, this point is C, this point is C, this point is E. Okay, I will arrange the points properly afterwards. This point is D. Okay, now as you see here, A, B, C, D, E, F, A on this E and F should be seen. On this A and D and also O1 here has to be seen. Anyway, I'll come to that point. Then on this you should find B and C. This is B here, C here and all that. Okay. Now, if you have any doubts also, you see here what I suggest now, you zoom this area. If you zoom this area, it will be better. Now you take the line 0.5 from here, no, from here, this point is F. Okay, you try for intersection only. It will be, now it is proper. F, this is E, intersection, perfectly you get. Then this point is D, intersection you are getting. Okay, on this end point also you can sense. Okay, C, this also end point only you can sense. Okay, then this, if you observe, it is outer boundary I have completed. Okay, now you see here, that is I have completed the outer boundary. As you see here, first step is outer boundary I have completed. And also, once you know this outer boundary is completed, since base is nearer to the observer, you can darken the base. That means, if see here, when you are looking from the top, compare apex with the base. Since base is nearer, you can darken the base. Again, you see here, what you do know, immediately you go enlarge it and take the line from here to this. To this, you darken the base. Now 6 plus 2, 8 edges over. Then, when you are looking from the top, OA was nearer. OA is nearer. That is, you see here, OA is nearer. You can darken OA, and since OD is away, you can make OD dark dotted. In that way, you are able to complete OA is darkened and OD is dark dotted, and dark dotted only you can see between only A and D. These things we'll explain it in the next session. We'll continue this in the next session. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you, friends. Thanks again. Thank you.